you guys? It's Q. Welcome back. Today I'm doing another review, and this is from Divatress, and I'm doing this unit right here. Isn't she cute? I love bobs. I love them. I think they look so nice and sophisticated, and I just had to get one. This is so different and new to me. It's such a freaking wild card. The color is just like taking me there. But if you guys want to see my review, my reaction to putting this wig on and taking it out the box and everything, then you guys should continue to watch and make sure you are subscribed. I would love for you to join the team and you won't ever miss another upload from me. But yeah, let's get right into it.
This unit is from Bobbi Boss, and this is their lace front Swiss lace wig, and I have the style Chyna in the color TT4 Cocoa. And thank you so much for Divatress for sending me this unit. And you guys, let's jump right back into the video.
Okay, you guys, let's get started. I'm taking the wig out of the bag. Oh, she's like brown. I never wore a brown wig before, so this is new. Okay, let me show you guys the inside first before I get to messing with it. We have a lace in the front. Oops. We have lace in the front. And we have a deep curve part. And we have two combs on the sides. And we have a comb in the back. And we have our adjustable straps on the side. And this is how she looks. She's really chocolate. She's like a really sandy chocolate. Oh, and the hair is soft. Okay, she's really soft. Let's try her on. Okay, let me undo the straps really quickly. I have a big head, so I never like use the straps in my wigs. Never have to. I love how they have their tags on the inside. So freaking cute. That's really pretty. I just pay attention to detail like that. You would never like, ooh, look at the tag. Okay, let's try this on first before I take off the lace in the front. And you guys, I'm just showing you what they look like. I'm not gonna secure it down on my head. Okay, let's see. Where's my mirror? Never had this color on before, so it's really shocking. Like, let's see. Okay. Wow, this is a really different color. Okay. Let me get my hair all the way in. This color is really different. Wow. 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 I'm really not used to this color. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Whoa. Not like wow in a bad way. It's like wow, it's different. And the hair is so soft. Oh my god. The color is crazy to me, y'all. Like, wow. Okay, now let me cut the lace off and style this, and I'll be right back, okay? Because I do like the color, but I'm trying to see, do I like it on me? Let me style it first. Let me do my magic, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I had to change the shirt to kind of make it look, I don't know, to make it to kind of match with the hair, you know? But y'all, when I first put this on, I was like, I don't know about the color, how it looks on me. Well, I like the color. I'm just not, you know, for sure. I wasn't for sure if I like the color on me. But now that I have styled it and, you know, put it on my head, I really like it. It's really different. I usually don't go for color like this, but I really like it. And of course, you know, it's really freaking soft. When I first started combing it out, it kind of shedded a little bit, but now that I'm combing it out, it's not shedding a lot, so it's not really just shedding. It's not really any hair on the comb. But when I first started combing it, it shed a little bit, but it's not now. And I don't know what's up with these deep parts, because they have the part on this side, and I want my part on this side, and it just sucks because I like my side on here, and I don't know how it will look on that side. I guess it look weird. I don't know, but it's gorgeous. I love it. It's so freaking soft. I'm shocked by how soft this is extremely soft, and this wig is really snug on my head. Most of the wigs that I get are really snug on my head. I have a big head. I like it. I really like her. She's pretty. She's really pretty. I thought she looked so sophisticated and so nice, and yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I like it. It's cute. It's different. So, and I can rock with different every time. Every time I can do it, I can do that. Do you guys like it? But I really, really, really like it. Isn't it cute? And I didn't even cut the lace off that much. See? And you guys, even when we just telltale, you know. Of course, I didn't glue this down or anything because I wanted to show you guys just how it looks on, you know. But when I wear it, I will like attach it to my head, but you really can't even see it like that. And I will blend it in, but right now I just wanted to put it on and show you guys and give you my review about it. But I really like it. It's really cute. It's different. And I surely will be rocking her very soon. But if you guys like this wig, I will leave it down below. Make sure you check out everything in the description. Well, thank you, Divatress, for sending me this unit. But I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I will see you in my next video. Peace. Why nobody tell me this stuff be itch? You this pain.